Let's learn how CH, SH, and TH sound at the end of words. Like and subscribe to Reading Recipe. Ch, peach, peach. Sh, fish, fish. Moth, moth. Ch, couch, couch. Sh, crash, crash. Earth, earth. Ch, lunch, lunch. Sh, brush, brush. Teeth, teeth. Does the word fish end with ch or sh? Fish ends with sh, fish. Does couch end with ch or couch ends with ch, couch. Does brush end with sh or brush ends with sh, brush. Does the word teeth end with sh or teeth ends with teeth? Does peach end with ch or sh? Peach ends with ch, peach. Does moth end with ch or moth ends with moth? Does the word crash end with ch or sh? Crash ends with sh, crash. Does lunch end with ch or sh? Lunch ends with ch, lunch. Does the word earth end with ch or earth ends with earth?
The end.